How to do this. I filmed myself like this, pretending to scroll in the air. Then take your phone, make a screen record and do the same scroll movement. And then open both of the clips in CapCut. Select the screen record and hit Overlay. Drag it over your first clip, hit Splice and choose Filter. Then your screen record looks like a hologram. Now you can just trim off the beginning and adjust the position so it matches your scroll movement. Okay, but we can make it look cooler. So select the screen record again and hit Animation. Now you can simply choose an animation that you like. And for the final touch, with the screen record selected, go to Effects, Video Effects and search for Fisheye. Choose the effect, CapCut then applies it to both of the clips. You can delete it from the main part and then your video should look like this. And if you want to learn more, comment the word LEARN. How to do this. Film a video panning down from the sky. Keep recording and film the same movement again, but with your model in it pretending to jump. Now open this clip in CapCut. Trim off the start to when the camera begins to pan down. Then once the movement is over, make a cut by hitting Split. Then scroll ahead to where your subject is landing and hit Split again. Now just delete the middle part. When you play it back, it should look like this. Now go to the start of your second clip, select it and hit Freeze. Then go to Remove Background and hit Auto Removal. Okay, now the background is removed and we can just overlay this clip. Now drag it over the first clip and trim off the end. Then press this button here to add a keyframe. Okay, now go all the way back to the start and make yourself very small. Then press this button here and choose Ease In. Add motion blur and a shake effect when you land and your video should look like this. If you want to learn more, comment Masterclass. How to create an intro like this. Open CapCut with a black background. Then click your own text, go to Add Text, then type in the text that you want and then choose a font that you like. Okay, then go to the start of your video and press this button here to add a keyframe. Then go to the end of the text and make it big so it covers the whole screen. Then click this animation button here and choose Ease In. Now you can export this clip and open the one that you want. In my example, it's a video of Dubai. Then click on Overlay and add the clip that you just saved. Make it bigger so it fills up the whole screen, then go to Splice and select Slide. And that's it. If you want to learn more, comment Masterclass. How to do this. Start by filming a video where your jacket falls down in front of you. Leave the jacket where it is, walk out of the frame and keep recording for a few seconds. Then open this clip in CapCut. Then make one cut when the jacket starts to fall, one when it's on the floor, and the last one when you are out of the frame. Select the section when you walk out and delete it. Next, select the last clip, hit Overlay and drag it over the clip where the jacket falls down. Select the clip on top and duplicate it, and then also overlay it. With this clip selected, go to Remove Background, choose Custom Removal and paint over the jacket. Select this sandwich clip here in the middle of the overlays and go to Mask. I choose the horizontal mask, drag it up so it aligns with the jacket, and I press this button here to add a keyframe. Now as the jacket falls, adjust the mask's position to follow the movement. If you want to learn more, comment Masterclass. How to do this. Start by filming a video of just the product. Then open a green photo on your phone and film the second clip sliding back just like this. Then open both of the clips in CapCut. Duplicate the clip with your product, choose Remove Background and then Custom Removal. Paint over your product and when it looks good, hit the check mark. Now select the clip with the green screen and hit Overlay. Now just drag it all the way to the beginning, select it and choose Remove Background. Choose Chroma key and select the green color. Okay, then select the clip with just the product and hit Overlay. Drag it over the other clips and you're good to go. If you want to learn more, comment Skill. How to do this. Start by filming a video where you grab your phone like this. Then take another shot of just your phone with a green screen. Now open both of the clips in CapCut. Select the green screen clip and hit Overlay. Now drag it over the other clip. Go to Remove Background and select Chroma key. Now select the green color and increase the intensity. Now I just move the playhead to the point where I start to grab the phone. Then I select the green screen clip and add a keyframe. Then I go around half a second further in my video and add another keyframe and zoom in with 2 fingers. Now the video looks like this, but the hand is still missing. So now let's go back to the point where my hand is completely visible. I select the upper clip and hit split. And I make another cut around 1 second later. I select the middle clip and duplicate it. I hit overlay and drag it over the duplicated clip. Then I go to remove background and choose custom removal. Then I will just select my hand, save it, and this is the result. If you want to learn more, comment learn.